good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is for you that you're tuning in. My name is Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. And today is just a small setup, as you can tell by the thumbnail. We are just doing a simple backdrop and balloon setup. I'm headed to one of the familiar locations that y'all should kind of have an idea about, which is the Glass House. Hold on, I got a client calling me. Sorry, y'all. I didn't even know my phone rung like that in the car. I thought I was gonna wait until I finished. Anyway, where was I? I'm doing this. Y'all are familiar with this location. It's a small setup at the Glass House, which is the Glass House. We call it the Glass House, but it's a venue down by the lake. And it's for a family reunion. The only thing that I'm doing is a simple backdrop and balloon garland setup. It's nothing fancy, y'all. Y'all probably gonna slap my hand anyway and say, "You look good" or whatever, but you know. So it's not gonna be too much to come from that video or this video, with the exception of the balloon garland is already strong. Y'all saw that in a Get Ready With Me video. And I'm using gold drapes and the backdrop, because I know some of y'all are probably gonna ask. The backdrop came from stickersbanners.com. When I want my backdrops a little bit faster, I typically order from them because it comes on a vinyl backdrop. The bigger you get, they charge by square feet, so the bigger you go, which is the size, the more it will be for you. And most of my backdrops are custom made by me. I make them on Canva. I send the formatting over, and then I let them print it. So I don't even know, you know, anything in between it. I'm not a guru of. Anyway, that is all, y'all. Not gonna make this video any longer than what it needs to be. I will let y'all see what I do for this backdrop, and then we got some other stuff we're gonna get into, but y'all will catch that in another video. Make sure you like this video, you subscribe to my channel if you've been here, and leave a comment. Thank you again for stopping by. I appreciate y'all.